Hello my friends, this is Ava and this is Self-Care Year. This video is for you if you feel a little bit lost in your goals, into projects that you have so much of them, you're not really sure where you are. Today I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of tips and tricks of how you can measure your progress. Some are more artistic ones, some are more lazy, easy to do ones. So grab your instruments and let's get started. Yeah, and just let's jump into it and do a progress bar, for example, for the yoga goal. It's not complicated at all. Let's just say 30 days yoga.
Welcome to home, your 30-day yoga journey.
And then we can jump into the progress as you will see, so you know where is the first day. Yeah. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, and so on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this is a perfect basic for that, so we can just continue from that and add another layer of these. And yet another layer of this. So actually I'm already on day 26.
We're making progress.
Yeah, for yoga I feel like green color. So I would cover all the days I already done. Yeah. I'm already here. Yeah. And today was my 26th day. So this is quite a satisfying progress bar. I could have done this earlier, so I have more inspiration to do. It's not filled till the end, and there are some days to go. So every time I go for one more day, I feel it. So let me show you yet another way how you can track your progress. I'm taking a course on charisma from Charlie's University. It's called Charisma on Command, which is quite expensive, but I hope it's worth it.
I hope.
And what you can do is to break the things that you are taking into the course on modules and track your progress separately on these modules. So the first thing I did on Charisma University was first impressions. Yeah, and the course consists of 5 days. I just noticed that I've only taken 4 days, not 5, so there is some stuff for me left to do, and the tracker would show this. Another thing was a module on storytelling. I'm also practicing on you.
See? Was that fun?
Storytelling module consists of 5 lessons as well, and I have only taken 2 of them. This chart would keep me in sync on what is going on.
Of being in perfect sync.
There are lots of modules into this course, but I'm kind of cherry picking. So I take some lessons on the group conversations, and it consists of introductory videos and 5 action days. Let me say I did the first video. Yeah, and here are the days. So you can see like how you really could combine different types of trackers to see your progress. I could also add other modules to the bottom to see what is the overall picture. Here is just another way you can track your progress on the goals which are important to you. This way I would like to tackle the progress of very mundane tasks. I call it paperwork. So let's create a huge bottle right here, and we would call it paperwork. My idea was to make all the tasks that I want to do or I already done like dollars or coins, so we can include it inside this container, and I will see when it's full. Hey my friends, I hope you enjoy doing progress trackers together with me now. I hope it would help you to get clear into your goals and where you're going, and to measure the progress a little bit more precise. And thank you for staying with me here in this project, in this self-care year. I release a new video every week, so I hope you will join me for the next one. Hey, the cat is coming. Cat! Isn't that sweet? The cat is interested.